some new vocabularies. Okay, maybe it will be just a review to the previous lessons. Okay, so here the first one is
head,
this is the head,
hair,
hair,
eyes,
eyes,
ears,
ears,
nose,
nose,
mouth,
mouth,
hands,
hands,
legs.
legs. Okay, so repeat after the speaker. Okay, so we have them here.
Head, hair, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, hands, legs.
Okay, that's it. Now let's move on. Okay, so we are now at this exercise 3 complete with have got and has got. And here, okay, we have the rule. I have got. I have got blue eyes. She has got. So we use has with she. She has got red hair. We have got. We have got, not has got, but have got. Have got big mouths. Big mouths. This is the mouth. 1, 2. So mouths. Okay, so I have got or I've got. I've got. The same. I have got or I've got. Here. She has got or she's got. She's got. The same. Okay, so let's see this exercise. We have got. Like this. We have got. We have got. Not we has got. No, but we have got green eyes. Bob. Bob is singular, not plural. One Bob. So Bob has got. Bob has got. Bob has got. Like he has got. Or she has got. He has got. Bob has got. Big hands. They, plural. They, plural. They have got. They have got. They have got brown hair. 4. I have got. I have, not I has, but I have. I have got. I have got a small nose. 5. My sister. Sister is a singular, like she. She has got. My sister has got. Singular. My sister has got red hair. 6. You, a small head. You. We should always use have got with you. We don't say you has got, no, but you have got. You have got a small head. You have got a small head. So let's check these examples.
I've got a very cute cat.
I have got or I've, the same. I've got a very cute cat.
You've got green hair and a red nose.
You've or you have, the same. You have got or you've got green hair and a red nose.
She's got a dog. Her dog is very clever.
She's got or she has got, the same. She's got or she has got a dog. Her dog is very clever.
He's got a pet. It's a beautiful parrot.
He's got a pet. He's got or he has got. He has got a pet. It's a beautiful parrot.
This is a hippo. It's got a very big mouth.
This is a hippo. It's got or it has got. It has got a very big mouth.
We're twins and we've got fair hair.
We're twins. We've got fair hair. Fair hair. This is the fair hair. Fair hair. Okay, so we're twins. We've got or we have got. We have got.
Wow, you've got chickens, cows and ducks.
Wow, you have got chickens, cows, and ducks. Okay, good.
They've got long ears. They're cute.
They have got or they've got long ears. They're cute. Okay, now count and say. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count and say. It's got
one mouth.
Okay, so how many mouths? One, just one. One mouth. Okay, how many eyes? Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's got 4 eyes.
It's got 4 eyes.
Okay, how many noses? 1, 2, 3. So it's got 3 noses.
It's got 3 noses.
How many ears? 1, 2, 3. So it's got 3 ears.
It's got 3 ears.
Then hands. How many hands? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hands. So it's got 4 hands.
It's got 4 hands.
Okay. How many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's got 5 legs.
It's got 5 legs.
Great. Let's move on. So we say I have got or I've got. You have got or you've got. He has got or he's got. She has got or she's got. It has got or it's got. We have got or we've got. You have got or you've got. They have got or they've got. So try to memorize these. Okay, how to conjugate have got. We usually use short forms. This is the short form and this is the long form. Short, long form. We usually use this when we speak. When we speak, we use this. Okay, so we don't say I have got a dog. This is a long form, but we just say I've got a dog. Okay, but okay, so I've is I have, he has, with, we have the same. They are the same. Okay, so let's move on. Now listen and number.
1,
He's got red hair and green eyes.
So he's got a red hair and green eyes. He's got.
2,
She's got red hair and green eyes.
She's got red hair and green eyes. She, female, not male, female. She's got green eyes and red hair. So this is number 2. Number 2. 3.
3,
He's got black hair and green eyes.
He's got, so he is a male, not a female, no, not female, but male, a boy. Okay, so he's got black hair and green eyes. So let's make it 3. Now the last one, she,
4. She's got black hair and blue eyes.
she's got black hair and blue eyes. She's got. Okay, so this is it. If you want to read it, he's got red hair and green eyes. 2. She's got a red hair and green eyes. And he's got black hair and green eyes. She's got black hair and blue eyes. Okay, so if you want to read them. Okay, so here finally we have to describe our friends. Okay, so describe your best friend. Describe. Here you have an example. My best friend is Sam. He's got black hair and green eyes.
My best friend is Sam. He's got black hair and green eyes.
Okay, so describe your best friend. Who is your best friend? Try to describe it and send me the answer via WhatsApp. Thank you very much.